Meenakshi Temple is a historic Hindu temple located on the southern bank of the Vaigai river in the temple city of Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. It is dedicated to Meenakshi, a form of Parvati, and her consort, Sundareshwar, a form of Shiva. The temple is at the center of the ancient temple city of Madurai mentioned in the Tamil Sangam literature. Meenakshi Amman Temple, also known as Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, is one of the oldest and most important temples in India. Located in the city of Madurai, the temple has a great mythological and historical significance. It is believed that Lord Shiva assumed the form of Sundareswarar and married Parvati at the site where the temple is currently located. Renowned for its astonishing architecture, Meenakshi Temple was nominated as one of the wonders of the world, but couldn't make it into the list of 7 wonders of the world. However, the temple is definitely one of the wonders of India. It is also one of the main attractions of South India with thousands of devotees thronging it every day. The temple attracts more than 1 million devotees. Despite many people visiting it every day, the temple is well maintained and was named the best Swak iconic place in India. The temple was once expanded by Thirumalai Nayak, who ruled over Madurai from 1623 to 1655. During his reign, many mandapams were built. The temple was then expanded by many later Nayaka rulers before the advent of the British East India Company. The temple was once again degraded and parts of it were destroyed during the British rule. In 1959, the restoration work was started by Tamil Hindus by collecting donations and by collaborating with historians and engineers. The temple was completely restored in 1995. Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple timing: morning 9 to 7 evening.
Father. Yes, you can touch on it. Mother partner, Madam partner, Mother partner, Mother partner, Mother Madam partner, Mupatia, Matu Vansha, Pudrumtana, Pudrikare, Arindaver, Aria, the way Pudrikal, David Barney, Can Gandhar Dharigamanaham, Gandhar Thor, Gandhar Anganartham, Sabatpami, Electric. Gandhar Dharigamanaham, Gandhar Thor, Gandhar Dharigamanaham, Gandhar Thor, Gandhar Anganartham, Sabatpami, Alangat Devara, Brahman, Alangat Devara,